does Alexa work? A comprehensive explainer. In today's highly modernized world, AI-backed voice and digital assistants have made our lives much easier, and Amazon Alexa ranks among one of the most efficient AI voice assistants out there. If you're eager to read more about how Amazon Alexa actually works and what procedural protocols are being followed behind it, then you're in the right place. Gad Insider is here to give you a brief walkthrough of how Alexa actually works, which might help you understand the complexity surrounding it better. This technology has brought true the idea of controlling the entire digital world with the help of your voice only. Here's how Alexa works. You can find Alexa on various devices, but smartphones and Echo smart speakers are the most common devices. Amazon's Echo series of devices is primarily designed and developed for the purpose of carrying out tasks in response to voice commands. These devices simultaneously encompass all the capabilities you come across in a speaker, a computer, and an internet connection. Moreover, there's also a little chunk of voice recognition technology inside them. Order of task execution behind Alexa. What actually happens is that when we say something to the Alexa-enabled devices, it records each word we say and then sends it back to Amazon's voice recognition service. AVS is a voice-enabled service which is integrated into every Alexa-enabled device. The AVS server also utilizes the wake word system active in Alexa-enabled devices. It determines what action you're trying to invoke by breaking down your commands into individual sounds. Amazon servers then send the information back to your device, and Alexa may speak if needed to say anything back. And then, finally, it recognizes important words to make sense of your voice commands and then carries out the asked function. The AVS is considered to be the brain of the Alexa-enabled devices, which perform all the complex operations such as automatic speech recognition and natural language understanding that Alexa is capable of.